We're not breaking any laws. I want to get that clear right now. We're not going to break any laws. We're going to speed up as if we're getting on the interstate and thinking I'm out here street racing. I'm not, guys. I am not. I am well within the laws of the current state that I'm in. All right. You see, he's going to hit it. Hold on, watch it. But I like doing it in a safe manner while still, you know, well within the laws of the current state that I'm in. YouTube squad, what is happening? Yo, welcome back to the channel. New viewers, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, man. We want to have y'all a part of the family for the long haul, and we want to push this on up to the next level. So make sure y'all do that for your boy. You know, just hit that you know, just hit that red button that's down here and turn that thing gray. Hit the post notifications that's over to the, you know, the right of that thing, so you know when these videos gonna be dropping and all that stuff, man. Appreciate that when y'all do that. Returning viewers, thank y'all for rocking with your boy, man. Y'all are always appreciated around here, so keep on doing that, keep on doing that. So let's go ahead and get in the topic of today's video. You see the title, you see the thumbnail, man. So I'm in a lot of you know, a lot of the manual groups and things like that. If you don't know, the first time at the channel, I have a 6-speed Challenger RT, right? And we know with the Challengers and any kind of manual car, it comes with 3 pedals. Like, if in case you don't know, don't believe me, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, stick shift, right? Okay, cool, right? So of course you need to use your pedal to shift and all that type of stuff. Now, of course, there's a lot of people out there saying you can shift it without the clutch. And a couple times I did it on accident. I got it into a gear without using the clutch. Now this was after I was already rolling. Now you can't do it from a dead stop. You will need your clutch coming from a dead stop, but while you're moving, you can put it in gear into the next gear. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test it out, man. I'm gonna see if I can do it, and if I do it right, y'all gonna see it. If I don't, y'all gonna see that too, right? So I'm gonna hop in the car and we're gonna see how this thing work out, man. I mean, straight up, I'm not sure when shifting without a clutch it will be beneficial at all. You still have to come out of the gas to shift the car and all of that, so I don't see where it's beneficial. I don't know, maybe you just feel like not using clutch. Even if you're racing, you still got to come out the gas anyway. Even if you say you can do a power shift where you keep your foot on the gas, you still probably want to tune your car so it doesn't rev too high when you pull it out of gear, because it's going to be in neutral and stuff like that. So with all that being said, let me hop in the car, give y'all that POV, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it, maybe show y'all how not to do it, but we're going to see what happens, man. So let's hop in. All right, guys, so clearly behind the wheel of the car, let me wind the windows up here so you don't be hearing everything from the outside here. All right, so I got another camera. I usually do like foot cam on this, but honestly, all I'm doing with my foot, I'm just letting out the gas. Y'all just gonna have to trust me on this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys about my clutch usage. I will not use the clutch on shifting. I'll let you know how this works out. So let's see how this works here. So pretty much, for my people that never drove a manual or anything like that, you're gonna be a lot of times, well, not a lot of times, all the time you're gonna be watching your tachometer here. Hopefully y'all can see that. So my tachometer is here, and I'm gonna be watching my RPMs go up. And when I shift, it usually drops about either between like 500 to 1,000 RPMs, depending on how fast I shift here. So the key to the shifting without the clutch is going to be matching your engine revolutions with your wheel speed and all that type of stuff. So if for whatever reason the engine and the wheel speed don't match, you won't be able to put it in gear. So it's gonna be really key to do that. And without using the clutch, you really have a small window of error there. If you have the clutch, of course you push in the clutch and change the gear, it'll go into the gear no matter what. But without it, you're really gonna have to make sure everything matches up correctly. So with that being said, let's go. Like I said, when I first start, I have to have the clutch in to start moving. After that, I will be not using clutch anymore. So here we go, removing, and my foot is off the clutch and I'm not gonna use it anymore. So let's go. First gear right now, and I'm gonna let off. We're in oh, we did it. Okay, second gear, no clutch. Third gear, no clutch, okay. Let's see if I can get into fourth gear here. Fourth gear, there we go. Oh snap. Oh, we did it. Okay, we did it. All right, we did it. Okay, we working with something. All right, let's go this way. So let's see if we try to do that again here. See if we can go a little bit, I mean, not terribly fast, but can we speed up a little bit here? So let's try it again here. Okay, no clutch, first gear. I missed it there, guys. Yeah, like I said, like you really have to be at the right engine speed there. So that didn't work out well. So I don't know where that road leads to. Let's see where that road, I don't know what road that leads to. So we're not gonna use it. We're just gonna U-turn it right here. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, I don't think this is at any way, shape, or form beneficial to do. There's no advantage of doing it at all. I guess if you're shifting without the clutch, you're just showing how well you can drive. There's no benefit. I don't see why anybody would even waste their time doing this, but it does feel weird just not using the clutch on this. So let's see if we can do it again here. See if we can replicate that. All right, first gear. Second gear, no clutch. We're in third gear. We're just forcing it down into gear. Fourth gear, there we go, okay. And I mean, for me to go any higher, I would have to change gears here. Let me see if well, go a little bit faster. Let me see if I can shift it one more time. Fifth gear, okay, fifth gear, I see you. All right, I mean, we're getting this thing right, guys. We are shifting this thing without the clutch. We are shifting this thing without the clutch here. Let's keep going straight here. I'm not sure where this road leads to. I've never been over here. And I might just turn around because I don't know where we're going, to be honest with you guys. I don't know where I'm going. I had no clue there was a hotel back here. I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I ain't never been back here a day in my life. But here we are. So let's try this. Let's go play that again, man. So let's see if we can get it right here. So what I'm gonna do next, man, after I get all turned around, I'm gonna see if we can, I'm gonna go to an on-ramp here and we're gonna see if we can do it a little bit faster. Like if we're going like a little bit, you know, I would say with a little bit more sense of urgency, if y'all smell what I'm cooking. We're not breaking any laws. I want to get that clear right now. We're not going to break any laws. So we're going to speed up as if we're getting on the interstate, because I'm actually going to get on the interstate in case, you know, certain people watching and thinking I'm out here street racing. I'm not, guys. I am not. I am well within the laws of the current state that I'm in, whatever state that may be. So y'all can leave that up to imagination. Or if you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. But that's what it is, man. So I'll pick y'all back up when we get close to the interstate. Let me wind the windows up for you guys really quick. So while I've been doing this, I've been kind of messing with it a little bit before I get to the interstate here. I feel like it's easier to do this when your RPMs are higher. Like if you're just moderately driving and whatnot and not really accelerating a little bit quicker and your RPMs are staying low, it gets real difficult to get into the next gear. But if your RPMs are higher, I feel like it helps you out in getting into the next gear without the clutch. I just use the clutch on this one. And like I said before, there's no benefit to doing this unless your leg is tired from shifting on the clutch, which I don't see how it would be tired. I mean, I just don't know. I don't feel like this has no advantage if you're racing or anything like that. It's just shifting with like clutch. In fact, I feel like this would be more of a disadvantage because your car has to be in such a narrow window of the RPM range to make it work at certain speeds that you're more than likely to miss a gear by doing it this way. So, I mean, if you perfected it, maybe you might make it faster, but honestly, I don't see the point at all, guys. I really do not see the point. All right, let me see if we can do this here without much interference. All right, let me see, make sure no one's here. So here we go, we're gonna get on and we're gonna not use the clutch here. So we're in third gear, couldn't come to a complete stop, so let's see how this works out. Missed it. There it goes, found it. See, it's that the RPM's got to be, the RPM range is so narrow. Now I'm in fourth gear here. See, I'm gonna shift it up to fifth. And we're gonna go up here and go to sixth gear next here. And we good. We all went through the gearbox with no clutch. And yeah, it doesn't, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense to do this, man. It does not. It's like I said, like I missed the gear. I missed going into 5th gear because of it. And if I had the clutch, I would have been right in the gear just fine. But as soon as I stopped using the clutch, it's really hard to get in the gear. Like a lot of times, something y'all guys cannot see that I'm doing. Sometimes I'm fighting a little bit to get it in there. Like what would happen is like I'm shifting, it'll really just fall into gear when everything matches up, when the RPMs and the wheel speed matches up and all of that. But I'm waiting an extra second to get into gear, which is not advantageous at all. Like it's a waste of time. I mean, I guess if you want to show off and show you can shift without it, like I said before, go for it, but it's no benefits, man. I mean, unless you can perfect it every single time, I wouldn't waste my time even trying to do it or learn. You see, he's going to hit it. Hold on, watch this. I get that all the time. I get that all the time. I'm driving and someone just wants to hit a car, man. All the time. I do it though. I do it. Don't get me wrong. I do it. Now make sure I'm still recording. I do it now because I like doing that. I like doing that too. But I like doing it in a safe manner where I'm still, you know, well within the laws of the current state that I'm in. We're not out here going crazy and, you know, putting people's lives at risk and stuff like that, you know. So, yeah. Hopefully you better subscribe to the channel, man. I mean, I wasted some gas doing that for him. Even though I probably would have did it anyway by myself. But you know how that go, man. We're in the gas shortage right now. People buying up all the gas for no reason. We're almost a week past the fact of all this happening, and people are still going crazy with the gas. Now I was able to fill up today without any issues, and as soon as I got done filling up, it felt like a line had formed right behind me. I guess they saw my car parked at the gas tank. Like, they must got that good stuff there. Let's go there. And then everybody showed up, bro. Everybody showed up and got all the gas, man. So in conclusion, I know y'all heard me say it, but I just want to reiterate, man. Like I said, shifting without the clutch is not helpful at all. It doesn't make sense to do. It's a waste of time, in my opinion. You might as well just shift with the clutch, so you can guarantee yourself getting into the gear you need to get into yourself. I know how to drive my car. I know how to drive manual. I've been driving this car for years, and I'm pretty proficient with shifting my car. And if I say it's a waste of time, it's a waste of time, man. But if you want to show off and do it, be my guest and do it. But I want to show y'all something real quick right here, man. I haven't been out here in a long time. This is the official Charlotte Cars and Coffee location. And I've been parking this parking spot here a couple of times. Usually I maybe park right here. Usually Queen City Challenge will be parking this area right here. I kind of miss Cars and Coffee, man. This used to be a really dope event. Unfortunately, due to COVID, we haven't had it in well over a year. And all the expensive stuff that you can't afford usually parks way down there or along here and things like that. So thank y'all for tuning in, man. If y'all learned something, man, make sure y'all leave a like on the video and comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, man. We want to keep y'all around and all of that type of stuff, man. If there's something I didn't cover in this video, you got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I do look at my my comments, and I respond, whether you got some positive or negative to say. We got some negative to say, we gonna get competitive about it, man. Don't come in my comments with that negativity and talking crap, whatever. Let's keep it positive. I know some of y'all can't do that, but anyway, like I said, thank y'all for tuning into the video, man. We will catch you on the next video. We're out. Cut it.